you will click Start, Infrastructure, and then Material Library. New material, double click. Then here we write down Woven Roving. And here we have to see which type of material we have to select. So we have a lot of material here. One of those is isotropic material. What's the isotropic material? The material which has the same properties in all directions, like 0, 90 degree, 45 degree, all has the same properties. But for the woven roving, if you see the woven roving material, it has two directions only, 0 and 90 degree. So you have to specify here orthotropic material 2D. Orthotropic material, once you select it, you will find that Young modulus, you have two values for Young modulus, longitudinal Young modulus and transverse. And for all other purposes are the same. So now, what is the properties of the material? See, we have to insert, this is the values for the material properties. So first we will start with Young modulus. It will be 23 gigapascal, which is 23, and in the transverse it will be the same because woven roving have equal properties in 0 and 90 degree. And Poisson ratio is 0.12. Shear modulus is 4 gigapascal, yes. So it's 4. Tenacity 2000. Tensile tension strength will be 300 megapascal, but the compression is 250. For the thermal expansion coefficient, it is 0.0008. And for the strain value, of course, you can calculate the strain value from the modulus, the Young modulus, and the longitudinal strength. If you calculate it, you'll find it is 0.00515, and longitudinal compressive strength 0.012. And here the shear stress limit. Shear stress limit, it is in plan shear 40 megapascal. And here you enter the uncured thickness, which is 0.022 millimeter, and the cured thickness is 0.3 millimeter after it's impregnated with resin. The maximum deformation is always between 10 to 15, so I would limit it here to 12 degree. And here the limit deformation. The limit deformation, how much you want to limit it, because over this limit you might have a manufacturing issues like wrinkling, or excessive shear or something. So I will limit it here to 8 degree, and then we will choose, of course, biaxial. But biaxial, it means bidirectional material. Use it as a default, and now you end up with your material here. You save it as CATIA material FRP 2.